Cypress, beautiful pom-pom. I'm going to do a little cleanup here just to clean out the undersides and the top sides so that we can really showcase the pom look. Secateurs. Okay, so I'm going to stick the stake along the side of the pot because the pot will give it support. When you go to pull, you'll get a bit of torque. To do a diamond shape, take 4 bamboo stakes, 1 in each side of the pot. Then you take your elastics. You're going to grab all 4 points and hook it on this top. You're going to shear off anything on this side, this side, this side, and the back side. Here I am just cleaning up the side. You've got your bamboo stakes as your guide. Those little tips will send the energy to create a nice point at the top. Ta-da! This is the time of year that your pines are going to be sending up their candlesticks. So this is the time of year to do it. These stems can become wood and eventually take over your whole plant. You will not have a topiary left. So you have to take back the candle. The laurels, the key to keeping them in a topiary shape is prune them off. And then you're going to get secondary branching. And this is going to be a glorious, beautiful topiary. Giving him a hard prune, and now he's going to